The MRbrew 40 Plate Homebrew Wort Chiller is an essential tool designed to rapidly decrease the temperature of boiling wort to yeast pitching levels. Utilizing a sophisticated brazed plate design, this heat exchanger features 40 high-quality stainless steel plates that are copper-brazed to create a large surface area for thermal transfer, measuring 7.5 inches by 2.9 inches. The compact frame of the MRbrew 40 Plate Homebrew Wort Chiller allows it to fit easily into various brewing setups while providing professional-grade cooling performance that rivals larger industrial systems equipped with 1/2-inch barb fittings. This cooling system ensures a secure and leak-free connection for both the hot wort and the cold water source. The accelerated cooling process is achieved through a counterflow mechanism where the hot liquid and the coolant move in opposite directions on alternating plates. By using the MRbrew 40 Plate Homebrew Wort Chiller, brewers can significantly reduce the time their wort is exposed to the open air, which minimizes the risk of oxidation and contamination while helping to lock in delicate hop aromas and flavors. Durability and maintenance are key highlights of this stainless steel heat exchanger, which is built to withstand the rigorous demands of frequent homebrewing sessions. The robust construction ensures that it can handle high pressure and temperature fluctuations without warping or losing efficiency over time. Cleaning the unit is straightforward, typically requiring a simple backflush with a sanitizing solution to keep the internal passages free of debris. This reliable cooling solution offers a perfect balance of speed, efficiency, and size for any serious enthusiast looking to upgrade their cold-side brewing equipment. Pros: cools wort in 15 to 20 minutes, high-quality product design, uses common 1/2-inch tubing. Included worm clamps prevent leaks, excellent value for the price, speeds up the brew day. Significant water and time savings, works well with electric systems, simple and inexpensive barb setup, very fast cooling performance, impressive cooling speed, hands-off cleaning process, no leaks or clogging issues. Cons: requires a pump to function, not a plug-and-play tool. Barbed fittings lack quick disconnects. Cleaning is more involved, internal crevices can hide debris, needs well-filtered wort. Additional hoses and clamps required. Features: MRbrew 40 Plate Wort Chiller 1/2-inch barb fitting connections, brazed copper heat exchanger, 304 stainless steel construction, compact 7.5 by 2.9 inches, accelerated hot liquid cooling. The MRbrew 40 Plate Homebrew Wort Chiller is an essential tool designed to rapidly decrease the temperature of boiling wort to yeast pitching levels. Utilizing a sophisticated brazed plate design, this heat exchanger features 40 high-quality stainless steel plates that are copper-brazed to create a large surface area for thermal transfer, measuring 7.5 inches by 2.9 inches. The compact frame of the MRbrew 40 Plate Homebrew Wort Chiller allows it to fit easily into various brewing setups while providing professional-grade cooling performance that rivals larger industrial systems. The MRbrew 40 Plate Wort Chiller offers impressive cooling speed and efficiency, often chilling beer in under 20 minutes while providing significant water savings and excellent value for its high-quality stainless steel design. Its simple 1/2-inch barb connections and included worm clamps ensure a leak-free experience that integrates well with electric brewing setups, though it is not a plug-and-play solution as it requires an external pump and additional hoses to operate. While the system delivers fast, hands-off performance, users should be mindful that cleaning is more involved due to internal crevices that can trap debris, necessitating well-filtered wort and a diligent maintenance routine to prevent clogging.